participation, your language, your confidence, your communication, everything, the assessment that in your real phase 2 officers give you, the same thing will happen here.
Sports in India have always been an integral part of cultural and tradition.
Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind everyone.
Indian Premier League has become the biggest tournament all over the world. Improper infrastructure in villages, corruption in political parties has depressed many good candidates of sports.
को नरेशन को और अच्छा कंटेंट लाना पड़ेगा और कॉन्फिडेंट दिखना पड़ेगा. जब हम बहुत फास्ट बोलते हैं, कब बोलते हैं हम थोड़े से नर्वस होते हैं. जीडी में 1-to-1 कभी नहीं होना.
पॉइंट बहुत शॉर्ट बनाएं. देखो पॉइंट शॉर्ट बनाना है, लेकिन इतना भी शॉर्ट नहीं बनाना है कि बिल्कुल ही उसमें कुछ हम कन्वे ही नहीं कर पा रहे. हेलो एवरीवन, एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं एक और इंपॉर्टेंट मॉक के अंदर. बहुत सारे बच्चों का सवाल रहता है कि गर्ल्स का जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन है एयरफोर्स के अंदर किस तरीके से होता है. तो आज हमारे पास एक बैच है जो आपको परफॉर्म करके दिखाएगा कि किस तरीके से जो है वहाँ पे स्टार्ट करना होता है, ऑफिसर्स किस तरीके से इंस्ट्रक्शंस वहाँ पर देते हैं. वो सारी की सारी जानकारी आज के इस मॉक में आप लोगों को मिलने वाली है और आपको ये आइडिया लग जाएगा कि एक्चुअल में एयरफोर्स में किस तरीके का जो है मॉक वहाँ पर कंडक्ट करवाया जाता है. हाँ, यहाँ पे थोड़ा लेवल आपको थोड़ा अप लग सकता है क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि आपकी परफॉर्मेंस, आपकी पर्सनालिटी अच्छी तरीके से ग्रूम हो. मेरे साथ है साक्षी मैम जो आप लोगों को एज ए ऑफिसर जो वहाँ पर आपको असेसमेंट दे रहे होते हैं उसके तरीके हम रोल उनका जो निभा रहे हैं यहाँ पर. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या कुछ जो है इनकी परफॉर्मेंस रहने वाले हैं. अपने वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक्स कमेंट सेक्शन में आप जरूर ड्रॉप कीजिएगा क्योंकि ये बच्चे मोटिवेट होंगे आपके वैल्यूएबल कमेंट से. यस मैम.
Jai Hind everyone. How are you all? All of you have your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are here to assess your group discussion. Your overall group discussion will be divided into 3 sub-parts. The very first one will be your writing part, in which you will be given 2 sheets. The very first one will be rough sheet and the second one will be fair sheet. We will play a voice clip, or in that case, if you're going to the real phase 2, they can play audio clip or officers can narrate the same topic. Here, Samson will be narrating the topic for 3 to 5 minutes. You have to write in your rough sheet, just make short points, okay? Then you have 10 minutes to rewrite the same thing, your same material in 10 minutes in your fair sheet, okay? After you have done completion of that, you can revise for 1 or 2 minutes. There, it is totally up to the officers if they will give you the sufficient time to revise or not, but here we will be giving you 1 or 2 minutes, okay? Then we will collect your sheets. Then your narration part starts. Test number 1 will start her narration. She will take 20 to 25 seconds for her introduction part and 30 to 35 seconds for her narration of the topic. The topic is sports in India, okay? Once test number 1 completes her narration, herself test number 2 will start. Once she starts and all of you start and complete your individual narrations, once test number 22 completes her narration, we will guide you further for the group discussion part. Make sure to perform each one of you in group discussion part, put logical and valid points. Each one of you try to participate, do not dominate, do not interfere, do not interrupt, and try to agree, try to use soft words and maintain the decorum of the group discussion in a proper manner. Once all of you have completed your discussion part, we will guide you further for the conclusion part. Once all of you have concluded the points, then we will move further for your checking of your sheets. Then we will give you individual feedback about your written format and about your speaking, your participation, your language, your confidence, your communication, everything, the assessment that in your real phase 2 officers give you, the same thing will happen here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone of you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's start.
So topic for discussion today is sports in India. Sports in India have always been an integral part of cultural and tradition. Sports not only bring international glory, but also help in building discipline, teamwork, and healthy lifestyle among the young. Okay, so now you have 10 minutes. Your time starts now. Okay, stop writing, correct the sheet, pass to the next candidate from here to here. Let's move on.
Okay, so now all of you have done your written part. We'll start your narration part now. Make sure that your voice is clear and bold. You are confident and your power of expression is clear. Second thing is you have to make a proper eye contact with the group. Group should make proper eye contact with the person who is narrating. Okay? Test number 1, start.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Arshika Kumari. I am from Blansa, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th with science stream. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are reading motivational books and listening motivational songs. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me an opportunity to serve nation with courage and discipline. The topic which assigned to us is sport in India. Sports in India is very important for our country's culture and national pride. India has 35 plus Olympic medal.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Muskan. I am from Karnal, Haryana. I have completed my 12th from CBSE board and now I am pursuing my graduation from IGNOU University. I have 6 members in my family. My father is a teacher and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are listening music and playing badminton. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my country and make our country feel proud. Now I would like to tell you about a topic that has been assigned to us, that is sports in India. Sports in India have become an integral part of India's culture and tradition. In ancient times, many sports like wrestling, kabaddi, hockey have been played. But now many sports like cricket, tennis and athletics have gained popularity. popularity. Cricket not only provides us entertainment but also helps us keep fit and active. India has many famous players like Sachin Tendulkar, PV Sindhu and Mary Kom who have made India feel proud. Cricket has been the most popular sports in India, and Indian Premier League have gained popularity in the world. Sports in India have become the integral part of India's.
Okay, next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Kajal Chaurasia. I am from Siddharth Nagar, UP. I have completed my 12th with science from State Board. Currently, I am pursuing graduation from State University. There are 7 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are listening music and playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because my dream is to become air warrior and protect my country. Now, I would like to initiate the topic, sports in India. Sports in India is an important part of our life. Cricket is a very most famous sport in India. India has famous cricketer like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni. Further, I will discuss in group discussion. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Prachi. I am from Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I have completed my 12th class from State Board and now I am pursuing my graduation from State University. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have 3 siblings. My hobby is singing. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is sports in India. Sports play an important role in building healthy body, strong character, disciplined mind. Sports are not only source of entertainment but also means of nation development and youth development. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sanli from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class from State Board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from State University. There are 4 members in my family. My father is businessman and my mother is a good homemaker. My hobbies are playing kabaddi and watching patriotic movies. I want to join Indian Air Force because it serves pride and honor. Now I discuss the topic which is assigned to us. Sports in India. Sports in India is a very important in our life. They give us discipline, teamwork and cooperation. It give a healthy body and happy mood. Cricket is the most popular in India, but the national game hockey. Thank you. Further, I will discuss in the group discussion.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aarti Mishra. I belong to Manpuri, UP. I have completed my 12th from UP board. Now I am pursuing my BSc from Agra University. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing games and watching television. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to live a disciplined life. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is sports in India. Sport is one of the best of our country. It affects many younger people. They are participating in national, international games like Olympic games, and they are win in gold medal. That is very proud for our country. Cricket not only improves physical and mental stamina but also decreases many problems related to health. It is very good for every people and children. It improves mental health and physical stamina. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sanya Singh and I am from Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th from UP board and currently I am pursuing my graduation from State University. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing guitar, which help me to stay mentally sharp. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation with dedication and courage. Today we are here to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us, sports in India. Sports allow cultural and traditional games. Sports in India is not just an entertainment but it builds confidence, teamwork and coordination and also national pride. From cricket to hockey and now Olympics, sports in India is changing rapidly, but now it needs improvements. Cricket is one of the most familiar games with the Indians because of large base, biggest tournament like IPL and ISL. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Swati Yadav. I belong to Manpuri, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th with PCM from UP board. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are running and reading book. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve the nation and make my parents proud. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. That is sports in India. Sports in India play a very important role in our lives. It includes many games, kabaddi, cricket and kabaddi cricket. Cricket is a very popular game in our India's. Hockey is a national games in India's. Sports keeps our body healthy and mental fit. Thank you. Further, I will discuss in group discussion.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Subhi Gupta. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my class 12 from State Board. Currently, I am pursuing BSc in Mathematics. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a businessman. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing badminton and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me opportunity to serve our nation with discipline and courage. Today topic is sports in India. Sports in India is play a key role in our life, and sports
At Paris, India won 6 medals, 1 silver and 5 bronze medals who came from wrestling, hockey and others. India produced many world class players such as Sachin Tendulkar, PV Sindhu and etc. Thank you. Further I will discuss in group discussion.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Saurabhi Chaudhary. I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my schooling from Central Board of Education. Now I am pursuing BSc in Computer Science from State University. My father is in Sub-Inspector in UP Police and my mother is in businesswoman. There are only 6 members in my family. My favorite pastime is playing badminton and cooking. I want to serve as an Agniveer in Indian Air Force because it provides opportunity to serve our nation and contributing to the nation's security. I have looking forward to performing well in phase 2 and proving myself capable for the honorable service. Now coming on the topic which has been assigned to us for the group discussion, that is sports in India. Sports has become an integral part of our culture and tradition. Sports is not only provide entertainment but it also provide physical fitness to us. India also government also promote sports in India by launching some schemes like Khelo India to promote our physical fitness and sports. Now further I will discuss in group discussion.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sonu Rani. I am from Sirsa, Haryana. I have completed my 12th with PCM. My father is a farmer, my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have 3 siblings. My hobbies are running and reading newspaper. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me an opportunity to serve my nation with courage and discipline. The topic which has been assigned to us is sports in India. Sports in India is important for many reasons. Foremost, it can boost our physical fitness and also improve our pride nation in all over the world. Sports in India, government should also support through some schemes were like Khelo India and Fit India movement. But in rural areas, there is a lack of infrastructure and many challenges they can faces, and also they are deserving but they cannot perform further forward. And in India, there is sports. In ancient times, there is many sports were like hockey and wrestling are popular. But nowadays, there is a cricket can dominate all over the world, especially in India. And sports in India can not only for the entertainment, it can also provide fitness for our nation. And thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Lata Chaudhary. I am from Mathura, UP, which is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. I have completed my 12th from UP board. Currently, I am pursuing my BA from State University. There are 6 family members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing badminton and reading stories. I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides me a great career opportunity along with a disciplined life. Now, I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us, sports in India. Sports in India has become the integral part of our modern tradition and cultural. In modern times, games like wrestling, hockey, cricket have gained popularity, and sports is just not an entertainment, but it also builds confidence and also increase teamwork, coordination among people. Government schemes like Khelo India has increased talent in youths to take part in sports. Thank you. Further, I will discuss in group discussion.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shikha and I hail from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my class 12 from State Board and now I am pursuing graduation from State University. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing games and reading books. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. Sport in India. Sport in India is an integral part of modern life. It not only provides our entertainment but also provides us proud our nation. Government has launched many schemes to promote the participation in India like Olympic game, Commonwealth game, etc. India has produced many world class players like Sachin Tendulkar, PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, etc. Thank you. Further, I will discuss in group discussion.
Okay, next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Divya. I hail from Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th from State Board. Recently, I have completed my graduation from State University. There are 7 members in my family. My father passed away 2016 and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because this job provides some opportunities to serve our nation with dedication. And there is also adventure. Now, I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. Sports in India. Sports play very important role in our modern cultural and traditional life. It's provide not only entertainment but also provide teamwork, cooperation and leadership quality. Government of India has launched many schemes like Khelo India Youth Game and Fit India movement to encourage youth, and it keeps our body kept healthy and fit and active. Further, I will discuss in group discussion. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Priya from Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from State Board, recently graduated in 2025. There are 7 members in my family. My father is a plumber, my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my country and inspire others. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is sports in India. Sport in India is just not a game, it is a matter of national pride where we can fit and encourage sports. India has also many persons in sports which make our country pride and honor like Sachin Tendulkar, PV Sandhu, and others. Sport keeps our body fit, active, and healthy. Further, I will discuss in group discussion. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Himanshi. I belong to Sonipat, Haryana. I have completed my 12th with arts from Haryana board. I am currently pursuing graduation. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a labourer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are cooking and reading motivational books. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation and live a disciplined life. Now I would like to tell about the topic which is assigned to us, sports in India. Sports play a very important role in our modern and traditional life. Sports are not only provide us entertainment but also provide a physical fitness. Sports provide us leadership quality and improve your confidence. In Indian parents, they do not sports games, they give first priority to studies. Thank you. Further, I will discuss in group discussion. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Pratiksha Yadav. I am from Mainpuri, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my schooling from state board and now I am pursuing graduation. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a government servant. My hobbies are cooking and dancing. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will provide me a lot of career, discipline and opportunity to serve my country. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us is sports in India. Sports in India has been always an integral part of our culture and tradition. It is not just a game for entertainment but also teaches the discipline and teamwork and improve our physical and mental fitness. In recent years, India has been performed very well in events like Commonwealth, Asian and Olympic Games. Government also promote the schemes like Khelo India and Fit India movement. But there are still some challenges in sports in India, like cricket is overshadowing the all other games and the corruption and politics in sports management. Further, I will discuss in the group discussion. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Palak Sharma. I am from Kanpur, UP. I have completed 12th class from UP board. Now I pursue my graduation from State University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing badminton and watching movie. I want to join Indian Air Force because this job provides opportunity to serve a nation with dedication and there is also adventure. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to me. The topic is sports in India. Sports in India have always been an integral part of modern and culture tradition. From ancient time, games like archery and kabaddi have played across the country. In modern time, games like cricket, tennis and athlete gained popularity. Sports in India is not entertain people but also fitness, cooperation, leadership and pride nation. Further, I will discuss in the group discussion.
Next.
Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Racha and I am from Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class and I am pursuing graduation university from Kanpur. There are 7 members in my family. My father is a farmer, my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have 4 siblings. Now I want to join Indian Force because this job is survival and opportunity to serve a nation with dedication and there is also adventure. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which is assigned to me, sport in India. Sport in India are an important part of our life. It helps people to healthy and active. Many people play hockey, kabaddi and badminton. But cricket is the most popular in India. Further, I will discuss in group discussion. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Khushi Kushwaha. I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Basically, I have completed class 12 PCMB from Madhya Pradesh board. Currently, I am pursuing BSc from State University. There are 4 members in my family. My father has passed away in 2018. My mother is a tailor. I have a 1 sibling. My hobbies are listening music and reading book. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation and live a disciplined life. Now, I would like to initiate the topic sport in India. Sport is a very important in our daily life. Many people help stay fit and healthy and active body. Sport also teach confidence and leadership quality. Cricket is most important sport in our daily life. Indian cricketer like Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni are famous cricketer. Hockey is a national game of our India. India has won many gold medals in many sports. Further, I will discuss in group discussion. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Prachi, I am from Rewari, Haryana. I have completed my 12th with PCM from CBSE board. There are 4 members in my family. My father is an engineer, my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I would like to join Indian Air Force because it's not only a job, it's an opportunity to serve our country. Now I would like to narrate the topic that has been assigned to us, which is sports in India. Sports has become the integral part of our country, which glorify our personality. Sports like hockey, kabaddi, cricket has become famous all over the world. Sports has produced various famous personalities like Sachin Tendulkar, Neeraj Chopra, which have become the idol for our generation as well. Indian Premier League has become the biggest tournament all over the world. Improper infrastructure in villages, corruption in political parties has depressed many good candidates of sports. Good candidates of sports. India has the potential to become the best in sports. Sports not only make our daily routine better but also glorify our personality. Hockey is the national sports of our country and had won a gold medal in this as well. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Kajal Kumari, I am from Buxar, Bihar. I have completed my 12th with Science PCM from Bihar Board. Currently I am pursuing BSc in Physics from MH College, Buxar. There are 6 members in my family. My father was a businessman but unfortunately he is no more with us, and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are running, reading books and cooking. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it offers me a life of discipline, courage and service to the nation. Now I would like to tell about a topic which has been assigned to us. This topic is a sport in India. A sport has been integral part of traditional and culture. A sport like cricket, badminton, hockey, kho-kho and wrestling, etc. A sport decrease mental states and mental health. A sport like many people in modern time like cricket, football, badminton. Further, I'll discuss in group discussion. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone. All of you have done very good in your narration part. Let's move to your next part, that is group discussion. So all of you can start putting your points. Make sure you're not interrupting other person and you're not using your hand gestures. Please have a healthy discussion. Consider all of you as these people around you as your friends and you are discussing about a particular topic. Start.
I would like to initiate the group discussion. In India, sports like kabaddi, hockey, cricket, badminton are
Sports not only provide entertainment but also help us keep fit and promote discipline and teamwork.
Okay, sports improve among players like teamwork, confidence and cooperation.
in India. Cricket is the most popular game and hockey is our national game with 8 gold medals.
I agree with that, but I also want to draw attention toward the point that cricket is the most famous in India, but there is need towards that other game can also be.
Also, I have a point launched various schemes such as Hello India to promote sports in our country. I have a point that cricket improves the physical and mentally stamina and energy.
One of the biggest game in India and IPL has biggest tournament in the world.
Cricket is mainly a source of entertainment, but Indians connect their emotions towards cricket.
Coaching hub for district with a trained coach.
Many players like Neeraj Chopra, Manu Bhakar, Barry Kom, etc. have made India pride.
India has a long history in sport. Many people play cricket, but many people play cricket, but
Cricket is the most popular game of India and hockey is the national game of India. It has achieved many medals.
I agree with your point. Even every sports and has power to become the sport house.
Sports is not only promote the youth but also it promote the old age. Men are women and at present time women are the first priority in sports.
In India, there are many players in our country like Sachin Tendulkar, PV Sindhu, Manu Bhakar. It make proud India and by on many medals like gold medals and silver medals.
Sports is not just entertainment but also provide a career in life.
I am agree with your point just number 5. After sports, a grand player can join armed forces.
I agree with your point just number 7 and I want to add one more point here. Lack of infrastructures and awareness and corruptions in sports are barriers in sports in India.
Government is launching many schemes like Hello India, which encourage the youth to take part in sports.
Sports are also teach teamwork, confidence and leadership qualities.
Sania Mirza, Sania Nehwal, Mary Kom became ideal for women and promoting women in sports.
Sports has an important place in India history and culture.
Sports also bring international glory along with the discipline and teamwork and promote physical fitness.
Recently, Indian cricket team had won a World Cup. Just because of that there was a wave of happiness in our country, so that we have celebrated.
Okay, conclude the topic.
In my conclusion, sports can a type of thing that we can change our direction of stereotype that study can make us independent. Sports can give us more pride than any kind of study and thing, and also pride our nation.
In my conclusion, sport is not just a personal choice, but it improves physical and mental strength. It's very good for our children.
In my conclusion, sports in India are an integral part of India's culture and tradition. It not only provides international glory but also promotes teamwork, discipline and physical fitness.
At last, sports is not the source of entertainment but it also enhances our discipline, physical fitness, etc. Parents need to encourage their children towards sports and physical fitness. In my opinion, sports does not agree with, but it is the matter of our national pride. We should take part in sports and make our country pride.
In my opinion, sports play an important role in our modern and traditional life. Sports not only provide entertainment but also build our physical fitness.
In my opinion, sports is the most important part of our life. They keep our body healthy and happy or mood, and it teaches discipline, teamwork, cooperation.
In my conclusion, sports is an essential part of our life with proper awareness and government supports.
sports culture in India is gradually improving.
Sports is growing gradually in our nation.
Sports not just support in the entertainment but also provide improve teamwork, cooperation and confidence. Sports is not just not game for entertainment. It improve our physical and mental fitness and bring national pride.
In my opinion.
ओके ऑल ऑफ यू बहुत अच्छा किया है आप सबने। डिस्कशन आपका जैसा होना चाहिए था बिल्कुल ऐसा ही करा है, अच्छी बात है। अब हम बात करें फीडबैक की, तो जस्ट नंबर 1 आपकी वॉइस क्लियर थी, बोल्ड थी, अच्छी बात है। स्टार्ट अच्छा किया था बट लास्ट तक आते आते आप स्टक कर गए थे, उसको आपको कवर करने की कोशिश करिए कि 1 मिनट में आप पूरा कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाएं। जिन्हें आपने 3 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया है दैट इज क्वाइट गुड। जस्ट नंबर 2 वॉइस क्लियर थी, बोल्ड थी, आई कॉन्टैक्ट अच्छा था, नेक मूवमेंट काफ़ी सही था, ठीक है, आर्टिकुलेशन ऑफ थॉट अच्छा था, ऑर्गेनाइज था और आप कॉन्फिडेंट भी थे। ग्रुप डिस्कशन में जितना पार्टिसिपेट करना था 3 से 4 बार इंटरप्ट नहीं करा, डिसएग्री नहीं करा और जहाँ पे जितना बोला था उन्होंने फैक्ट्स जरूर बोले हैं, वैलिड पॉइंट्स बोले। जस्ट नंबर 3 आपके चेहरे पे थोड़ा डर था, नर्वसनेस बता देता है वो, आपने लेकिन खुद को हैंडल करने की कोशिश करी। आप बीच में जैसे थोड़ा स्टक होने वाले थे बट आप नहीं हुए। नरेशन आपका एवरेज था, मतलब जो आपका कंटेंट था वो और अच्छा हो सकता था। आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज फाइन, जीडी में 2 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया है आपने, कोशिश करो इसको थोड़ा बढ़ाओ, ठीक है। जब बार बार जब ग्रुप इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है तो आपको दिखाना चाहिए वो चीज़। जस्ट नंबर 4 वॉइस बोल्ड नहीं है, इंट्रो अच्छा था, आपको नरेशन को और अच्छा कंटेंट लाना पड़ेगा और कॉन्फिडेंट दिखना पड़ेगा। जिन्हें में आपने 3 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया, आप इसे थोड़ा और अच्छे से कर सकते हैं। जब भी बोले तो कुछ लॉजिकल, कुछ फैक्ट्स, कुछ प्रैक्टिकल बोले ताकि उससे ग्रुप में आपकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट ज़्यादा हो और आप कुछ अच्छा बोले तो ग्रुप उसको अग्री करे, एड्रेस करे उस चीज़ को। जैसे नंबर 5 आई कॉन्टैक्ट अच्छा था। सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक जो आपने करी है वो नरेशन के टाइम पे आपने बोला है कि आई वुड लाइक टू इनिशिएट द ग्रुप डिस्कशन, ठीक है, वो आपको नहीं करना है। बहुत माइंडफुल रहना है कि आप कौन सी वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं। फंबल होते होते आप कोई बात नहीं, हमने कवर कर लिया था। आपकी वॉइस थोड़ी सी स्टार्टिंग में अच्छी थी बट जैसे टॉपिक आया तो फिर वो कम होती चली गई है, तो उसको पेस को आपको कंटिन्यू करना है। टेस्ट नंबर 6 आप कॉन्फिडेंट थे बट टेस्ट नंबर 6 ने जो गलती करी है वो है उनका फास्ट था। जब हम बहुत फास्ट बोलते हैं, कब बोलते हैं हम थोड़े से नर्वस होते हैं, तो डायरेक्टली आप अपने बारे में ये दिखा रहे हैं कि आप नर्वस हैं, तो आपको फास्ट नहीं बोलना है, पॉजेज लेना है जहाँ पे जरूरी है, ठीक है। आई कॉन्टैक्ट अच्छा था, नरेशन अच्छा था बट आपको थोड़ा सा ना अपने उधर साइड पे लेफ्ट पे भी आपको आई कॉन्टैक्ट करने की कोशिश करनी है, एक स्लाइटली एटलीस्ट अ ग्लांस जिसे कहते हैं ना, हल्का सा देख करके फिर आप बोल दीजिए। टेस्ट नंबर 18 आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज फाइन, बॉडी लैंग्वेज वाज फाइन बट आपकी वॉइस नहीं थी अच्छी और नरेशन बहुत छोटा था। लैक ऑफ नॉलेज एंड लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, जीडी में आपने एक भी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करा है, दैट इज वेरी रॉन्ग, ठीक है। पूरा ग्रुप पार्टिसिपेट करा था, आप नहीं करे थे, तो आपको अपने ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा काम करने की जरूरत है। टेस्ट नंबर 19 आपको जीडी में 1-to-1 कभी नहीं होना। अगर आपको किसी को भी जैसे कि किसी ने पॉइंट बोला है आपको उसके साथ अग्री करना है तो आप नेवर गेट 1-to-1 इन जीडी पार्ट, आपको पूरे ग्रुप को देख करके ही वो चीज़ें बोलनी है। दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज ग्रुप डिस्कशन। इसमें आपकी ग्रुप इफेक्टिवनेस ही चेक हो रही है, एज अ ग्रुप आप कैसा कर रहे हो। टेस्ट नंबर 19 आपकी वॉइस ठीक थी, नरेशन शॉर्ट था और जो आपने पॉइंट्स बोले वो इतने इफेक्टिव नहीं थे, तो आपको और अच्छे करने हैं। टेस्ट नंबर 20 आपने बोला आपकी फादर पास अवे इन 2080 बट यू सेड 2080, तो बहुत माइंडफुल रही कि आप जो वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वेरी बेसिक चीज़ है। 2018 में और 80 में देयर इज अ बिग डिफरेंस, राइट। और आपने पीपल को प्यूपल करके आप बोल रहे थे, तो ये बहुत बेसिक से वर्ड्स होते हैं, इनको आपको अच्छे से प्रोनाउंस करना है। जस्ट नंबर 22 वॉइस अच्छी, आई कॉन्टैक्ट था फाइन, गुड नरेशन बट आपका जो नरेशन था वो शॉर्ट था, मतलब छोटा था और इफेक्टिव नहीं था। टॉपिक इतना ईजी होने के बाद आप बहुत अच्छा बोल सकते थे। आपने भी वर्ड एडिटिंग करी है, तो आपको जब भी बोलो वर्ड्स को क्लैरिटी ऑफ वर्ड्स होनी चाहिए और क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट्स पहले होना चाहिए, उसके बाद क्लैरिटी ऑफ वर्ड्स होती है। ऑल ऑफ यू हैव डन वेरी गुड इन जीडी पार्ट्स। लेट्स चेक अबाउट योर असेसमेंट, अबाउट योर रिटन शीट्स। सो
थैंक यू सो मच साक्षी मैम फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक्स। कुछ गलतियां मैंने जो आप लोगों के राइटिंग पार्ट में ऑब्जर्व करी। देखिए मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि जब भी आप अपनी शीट लिख रहे हो, शीट को ऑर्गेनाइज फॉर्म में लिखना होता है। यहाँ पर काफ़ी कुछ गलतियाँ मैंने जो ऑब्जर्व करी, एक बच्चे ने टेस्ट नंबर 3 ने कंक्लूजन लिखा, कंक्लूजन के बाद दोबारा से उन्होंने लिख दिया इन माई इन कंक्लूजन्स, तो 2 वर्ड्स को एक बार रिपीट ना करें आप लोग, ठीक है ना। तो एक गलती तो आप ये ध्यान रखें। दूसरा क्या है कि टेस्ट नंबर 5 है, इन्होंने जो है स्पेस खाली छोड़ दिया है, तो कोई भी ब्लैंक स्पेस आप ना करें। जितना स्पेस आपको दिया गया है उसको प्रॉपर तरीके से आप जो है ऑर्गेनाइज कर लें। कई सीट्स में मैंने ऐसा भी देखा कि इंट्रो बहुत बड़ा है, ठीक है ना, कंक्लूजन छोटा है, कंक्लूजन बहुत बड़ा है, इंट्रो छोटा है, तो आप सबको ऑर्गेनाइज करें। जैसे कि मैं कहता हूँ कि 3 से 4 लाइन आप इंट्रो की लिख सकते हैं, 3 से 4 लाइन आप कंक्लूजन की लिख सकते हैं। सो यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि जब भी आप शीट लिख रहे हैं तो ये सब चीज़ आपके माइंड में रहनी चाहिए। काफ़ी बच्चों का क्या है कि पॉइंट बहुत शॉर्ट बनाए हैं। देखो पॉइंट शॉर्ट बनाना हमें, लेकिन इतना भी शॉर्ट नहीं बनाना है कि बिल्कुल ही उसमें कुछ हम कन्वे ही नहीं कर पा रहे। एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना पॉइंट को, हमें पॉइंट दे देना है कि ये पॉइंट है स्पेसिफिक, उसको एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट। दूसरा क्या था कि जैसे कि ये कैंडिडेट है टेस्ट नंबर 18, इसने क्या किया है, इंट्रो को और कंक्लूजन को बहुत लेंदी लिखा है, बहुत बड़ा लिखा है। इतनी लाइन भी बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर वो मार्जिन इतना नहीं होता जितना आप लोगों ने लिखा है, इतना ही मिलेगा आप लोगों को सिर्फ मार्जिन, तो उसके हिसाब से ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, ठीक है ना। इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए जिन लोगों से भी नहीं लिखा जा रहा है। ये देख सकते हो इसमें बहुत कम कंटेंट है, वेरी लेस कंटेंट। सो इन सब चीज़ों को आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना है। अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें ध्यान रखेंगे तो आप एक अच्छा शीट वहाँ पर लिख पाएंगे, जो ऑफिसर्स को वहाँ पे देखना वो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर पाएंगे। बाकी आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, मैम ने बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक आप लोगों को दिया। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट जो कैंडिडेट देख रहे हैं, इस तरीके से जो है ग्रुप डिस्कशन वहाँ पर होता है। फीडबैक सेशन नहीं होता, लेकिन ये फीडबैक सेशन हम रखते हैं आप लोगों के लिए, ताकि आप लोग इस फीडबैक से सीख पाओ कि क्या कमियाँ इन्होंने की हैं जो आप लोगों को नहीं करनी है। आप लोगों को ये जो मॉक ग्रुप डिस्कशन कैसा लगा अपने वैल्यूएबल कमेंट सेक्शन में ड्रॉप कर देने। मिलेंगे और बेहतर सेशन के साथ, तब तक लिखा रखिएगा। टेक केयर, थैंक यू सो मच।